The acoustic signature is unstable. We need to stabilize the field immediately.
The navigation charts confirm the location, but the geological data is inconsistent.
If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Secure the lifting points here and here. Scanning now. Confirmed. Ready for the rigging attachment.
All right, easy now. Take the tension up slowly. Watch those lines. The markings here are barely visible under the algae. Can you log that? Yeah, inputting the coordinates now. The structural integrity looks compromised on this quadrant. Make sure that's secure? Yeah. Confirmed. Taking the tension now. Yeah. Lift clear. Almost clear the rails. Okay, stop the winch. Winch stopped. Secure the load. Keep it steady on the left ramp. All right, easy now, easy. Almost clear the bed.
At Auto Recrafted, the team carefully cleans the marine algae and salt deposits from this 2027 TRX, revealing the aggressive grill underneath.
"40 years beneath the Atlantic. The corrosion is extensive, seizing the suspension, the drivetrain, and the very structure of the TRX.
Okay, lower it slowly. Watch the clearance. Got it. Coming down now. Ready on your mark. All right, clear the bay. Start the lift sequence. Ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Yeah, clear the manifold.
This supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 shows significant signs of marine salt contamination, visible here as greenish-white deposits on the pistons. With the specialized alignment tools in place, the forged steel crankshaft is carefully lowered into the main bearing journals of the HEMI V8.
Apply 70 foot-pounds to the main bolts. Confirmed. Torque reached on bolt 3. Moving to 4.
Calibrated torque equipment ensures these Mopar upgrades are secured precisely to factory specifications.